How to fix smart lock not working in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And then click on see all apps and scroll down and click on Google Play services. Now click on it and then click on storage and cache. Here you can clear the cache memory. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and check your system updates. Now click on system updates and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on system and click on reset options and then click on reset app preferences and reset apps. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.